Once again, have your parts IDW open, and we are now going to do the hitch peg. So I'm going over here to place views, select, and I'm going to go look for my hitch peg right there, and I'm going to hit open, and I'm going to wait. And that's a good view, so that works for me. 3-to-1. Actually, I just really want, I have several more things, so I'm going to do 2-to-1. And instead of view 6, I'm going to type in part 4 hitch peg in all caps. I'm going to make sure that is visible. And I think that covers all of that stuff. So I'm going to click, and right click, create, and there you go. And I'm going to double click on my ISO and make it solid there as well. And then I'm going to click on this and move it over and center it. And click on this, move it over, center it. I'm going to click on this and bring it down just a little closer. Alright, so far so good. Now I am going to dimension. So over here to annotate. And I'm going to do my center circle on that. And do dimension on this. Hit OK. And actually, I'm going to go back to a 3-to-1 scale because this just feels a little small. But luckily, that's really easy to fix. Okay. Alright, and now I basically need to dimension this guy. So we get the width of the base. And I'm going to do radius and height and total height. And there you have your hitch peg.